again. Let's teach the child you and I. Very important words and very complicated for an autistic child. It's best and easiest to start with I or me. So if a child wants to play something in which you take turns, that is very good. Then you can say, who is going to play now? And whatever the child says, me, the child will play. It is not a matter of taking turns, learning to take turns. It's a matter of learning to understand, experiencing to understand what me and you mean. That's the point. So if a child wants to play something in which you take turns, in which you can use this, you can say, who's going to play now? You or me? And whatever he says, if he says you, then you will play. If he says me, he will play. Of course, he wants to say me all the time, because he's egocentric still, and he wants to play all the time. So maybe he doesn't really want you to play at all. But he said you, so that has consequences. He must learn those consequences. If the child is really getting upset because he says you, while he means me, and has to give you your turn all the time and he wants his turn, and maybe he's really getting upset, you can help him saying me. Or just asking again, who do you want to play? Who's going to play? Me. Helping the child to say me so that he can get his turn. Because the point is that he understands that first. And the me is the first word to understand when you're an egocentric child. You can use that with anything, also with the car. Who wants the car? Who wants a car? Because he asked me for a car, of course. Who wants the car? Before giving it, just this little question. Who wants a car? Me. There you are. Then he will feel what this word means. That me means that I can have it. Very important. Very important. And so usually I start with the me. Who is jumping on the ball? Me. Yeah! I don't say no, you, yes, you, because that's very confusing. Yes! I just say yes, because I want to make it small. Me. He said me, and that means yes, that was the correct answer. It's not easy not to say you, but try not to do that in the beginning. We just want a child to experience the me. Who is jumping on the trampoline? Me. Yeah! Good! Who wants the car? Me. Yeah! Who wants this puzzle? Me. Yeah! That's how it goes. See? And then the child will understand what me means. And then you can go on further and using the you and me. Who is going to jump on the trampoline? Me or you? And whatever he says has the consequence it has, and he will suffer it. But he will be ready then. Okay? Let's try it. Please write your comments underneath the videos. I would be so glad to read them and answer them as well. Thanks for listening and watching. Bye bye.